Hey guys, so in today's DIY, I'm going to be making jeweled gloves. I have seen a few of these leather gloves with like pearl details on Zara website and other websites, and I thought it would be great to kind of show people how you can make it your own. I'm going to be talking and it's going to sound like I'm out of breath. As most of you know, I am very pregnant, so standing is very strenuous to me. Even talking is like exhausting, so it's gonna sound like I'm in and out of breath, but you know, that's the reason. For this DIY, we are gonna be needing leather gloves. These are faux leather. So I got these from Amazon. I love Amazon. I have Prime. I believe these were like $8.99, so like $9. And they come in different colors. So this is what it looks like. We're also going to be using these crystal beads I got from Michaels. They have a flat back, as you can see, which is perfect. Now I'm going to try two different kinds of glue. I'm going to try this. I also got this crystal glue pen. This was in the same aisle as these crystal beads. Apparently these are like the best ones to use when you're working with crystal beads. So what I want to do is go ahead and try the pen and see if it's sturdy enough to stay on the leather gloves, and if it is, I'll continue working with it. If not, based on research, it's proven that the E600 works best on leather, so that's why I got this too, just in case. So yeah, that's pretty much all the supplies we need. Not a lot, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Start with this right here, and I'm going to put just a little amount of glue right there. So you guys, that is it. This is the finished product. I really like how it turned out. It looks so sparkly, and I think it looks beautiful. I'm gonna get started on the second glove. So basically you just have to recreate the same design that you have on the left glove to the right. I just finished decorating the right glove, and it is all done. So this is what the final product looks like. What do you guys think? I think it's gorgeous. I really like the turnout. And this crystal glue seemed to be holding pretty well, but I will let you guys know if it stayed longer than I would hope. or if it came off shortly thereafter. I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway on this glove that I just made, so stay tuned. Make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, and also make sure that you're following me on Instagram, because I'm going to be announcing on Instagram when I'm going to be having the giveaway and what the rules are to enter for a chance to win this gorgeous gloves that are designed and created by yours truly. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you all tuning in. Be sure that you are subscribed, and as always, I will see you on my next video. Thanks, and have a great day.